Shut up and sit down.
In the third sum of practice set 4.2, we are asked to draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeters and we are asked to draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. If you remember the first two questions, we were drawing a line perpendicular to the radius to get our tangent. So we were using the center of the circle. The third question is asking us to draw the tangent without using the center. So the method is slightly different. This is a rough diagram of the third sum. I have taken any point C on the circle. At this point C, I have drawn any triangle ABC. Any triangle. I have not used any measures. Now if this line L is a tangent to this circle, then the angle ACD will be half of the arc AC because of the tangent secant theorem, and angle ABC will also be half of the arc AC by the inscribed angle theorem. Now since both these angles are half of the same arc, the two angles are congruent to each other. So the two angles are congruent only because the line L is a tangent. The converse of this is, if I draw an angle here which is congruent to angle ABC, then the line L becomes a tangent to the circle. I will start the sum by drawing a circle of radius 3.6 centimeters. I will then take any point C on the circle. Anywhere you can take it. Then I will draw this triangle ABC at this point C. Once again, remember, I will do it without any measures. As I told you, just take care that the center is not lying on any of the sides of the triangle. Now to draw the tangent, as I explained earlier, I will draw an angle here which is congruent to the angle B. I'll just label it. Now to do that, I will draw an arc at point B of any distance, any radius. The same arc I will draw at point C. Just remember, it should cut the side AC. I will then measure the arc which I have drawn here. And I'll cut the same measure on this arc. Now if I join these 2 points, I will get an angle which is congruent to angle ABC. Since these two angles are congruent to each other, line L is a tangent to the circle at point C. Now if you notice, we have not at all used the center. So the tangent is drawn without using the center. Mention the radius of the circle equal to 3.6 centimeters and write the final answer as line L is the required tangent to the circle.